Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QHC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute time frame in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that pretty much past day and a half, this has been a very, very nice move. I can't imagine anybody sitting around arguing against that, saying, no, that hasn't been a good move. Everybody would agree this has been a good, solid move. But that does lead into the question, is there any sort of true power behind this move? Is there any sort of true strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that area is down here at $3.20. Why is $3.20 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with truly strong power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $3.20. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, the price separates to the downside. What is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this range where it already was. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. However, let's say there's a pretty drastic pullback. Not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend. Drastic pullback, it comes all the way down there, bounces around, and then heads back up. Well, even after a drastic pullback like that, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows right there. Previous set would be down here, and if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, quote unquote, make progress as $3.20. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this movement is going to continue upwards, where are some of these next key battlegrounds at? As it stands right now, I'm not sure if the price hit these or not today. Yeah, it makes perfect sense actually why the price struggled where it did today. Right up here at about $4.10. Why do I say that makes perfect sense on why the price got rejected right there? Well, you go through the history of the chart, rejected, close enough, rejected, and then directly rejected right there. So I'm not saying that $4.10 can't be broken or anything like that. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price struggled around there today, and 410 is definitely public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. So it's now just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.